What do you see now? What is it,
Look,
Emma?
Mommy.
What is it, baby?
It's a snake.
It's a what?
It's a snake.
Is that some type of bird?
That's good bird. Wow.
Whoa.
Great bird.
You see other birds?
That's good.
What else are we gonna see? Say bye-bye, bird.
Bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ryan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.